if our product fails, facilities have downtime. If it's a manufacturing facility, it's production loss. If it's a data center, it's by the minute charging. If it's a television production facility, that the outage costs were $2 million a minute. So it can have a lot of impact on a very simple problem. Actually, we started as an electrical contractor focused on the building automation market. And throughout need of my own teams, we started building panels in my garage. And as time grew, or as the needs kind of grew for what we needed in the field and customers kind of saw what we were doing, they were like, hey, can you get a UL listing? Sure, we can get a UL listing. Got off the phone. I have no idea how to get a UL listing. So from there, we started building a handful of panels, and we built, 50 the first year. The next year it kind of grew, and then we sort of rocketed into the data center market, the retail convenience store. And at the time, I think we, like I said, 50 panels the first year. Today we build between 600 and 800 a month. So it's been an interesting ride. Everything we do is in the building envelope for the most part. And building owners see, when they interface with their building, a lot of times they'll have a graphic system. They can kind of see what the air conditioning system or the lighting system is doing. And they see the panels on the wall if they go into a mechanical room, but ultimately nobody really sees what we do. So all of the sensors and controllers and starters and VFDs that are controlling a building all kind of wire back to our panels. And that becomes the nerve center of the building. We do more than just build panels. We want to help the customer. We want to help the client. We want to help understand where their pain points are. How can we make everything from the procurement process to the installation process, engineering, the standardized panel components, instead of having a client's engineering team build a new panel every time because we needed this and it needs 3 more terminals. Well, if we can work with them to come up with a standard set, now I've saved them engineering time, I've saved them procurement time. A lot of this stuff is kind of intangible to a customer. They're paying their engineers, they're paying their procurement, but they could do more if we take that off their plate. Additionally, along with the panels, we also will work and supply field components, installation material, if they need sensors or wire or unistrut racks, anything and everything that could make the installation process or the design process easier and faster. Ultimately, we strive to have continuous improvement to ensure that the products we're building, we use good components in our finished product. Ultimately, every time we make a mistake, and it happens, we're human, we try and learn from it, we try and improve from it so that the product gets better over time. I started in the building automation market. We've expanded a bit into the industrial market, but the building automation market in general wasn't even aware of a lot of the more industrial components. And part of something we've pushed from day one is using better terminal strips, better power supplies. Ultimately, the components, they save us installation time in the shop, they save us installation time in the field. They're a better quality product. A lot of what you'll see in an older building automation installation, it's low cost, low quality components. And I've stressed that we won't be the cheapest, but we will be the most competitive product for the price. So it's got the better components, it's got industrial design standards. All the panels are built to UL standards, whether they're UL listed or not. We've selected Phoenix ultimately to help support us with that because of the breadth of the product offering they have and manufacturing capability and distribution support that we get. We buy hundreds of thousands of terminal blocks from Phoenix every year. Power supplies are probably second. Ethernet switches, we're starting to see more and more of the remote I/O cards, and some of, on the building automation side, the Catan controller that just came out, we're looking to implement that in some solutions. Wire duct DIN rail, I mean, we've kind of centralized most of our builds around the Phoenix product line because of the breadth of offering, the consistent quality, and availability. And honestly, I've had a great relationship with Phoenix since we've been doing business. I get support when I need it. The technical questions get answered. Our distribution partners have been excellent throughout this as well. So it's a big part of why we are successful, honestly.